I'm gonna bleach my hair. Is that a good idea? Absolutely not. Should I not do this? Absolutely, I shouldn't do this. But my mental health is bad. And you know what? A mentally unhealthy girl, you know what she fucking does? Bleaches her hair and dyes it red. Am I gonna dye it red? I want to, but I'm not going to because I'm not sure what the hair dye policy for the job I have is. And I don't want to get fired. So I bought this a Bleach London bleach. Let's do that. And then I also bought some toner. It comes with 2 bleach packets and the bleach thing. And then I'm using this cup. It didn't come with the cup. Okay. I'm using a spoon. It also came with a mask, by the way. So I'm only doing the fronts of my hair too, so it's not like I'm doing anything crazy. I used to bleach my hair all the time, so I, like, literally for years I would bleach my hair at home. Takes time, not too hard. Like I said, I'm only doing my bangs because my bangs grow the quickest. Honestly, that's pretty much it. Oh my god, my hair's all curled up because it was raining all day today. Do you see it? It's crazy. Okay. Okay, so this is the amount of hair we're doing. I think it's a smart amount of hair, maybe a little bit dumb. I don't know, I think it's enough hair. Enough to feel like I did something, but not enough to, like, cry over. Especially because these are, like, the fronts where they're not, like, as, what is it called? Long or anything. At that, I am so sad right now. Not okay. It's okay. Oh, I'm supposed to put 2 whole sachets. Why are there 2 in it? Okay, fine, whatever. Well, look at all this powder. Well, it's like also the cup is huge, so I should call him. Let's call him. That's what I'm hurting right now. Yes. Am I making jokes? Yes. Do you ever watch yourself and think, what the fuck was I doing? This is the moment I fucked up, because that part of my head right now, most of that hair fried off. I'm not gonna even lie. It took a while, but like it slowly came off, and I'm like, oh fuck, I could have stopped myself. But why was I being like, not that much hair fall out, but like my edges are not as nice as they were because I did this. Because I'm a stupid bitch, because I didn't think this through. And look how bad it looks. I didn't use a brush or anything. Like, yo, I was manic as shit. Why the fuck did I do this to myself? And the roots aren't even coated at all. What the fuck was I doing? I have to go to Sally's so I can fix the fucking hair, so let's do this. It's still raining outside too, so that's great. This was the result of the first bleach. Look at how bad that looks. What the fuck was I doing? Oh my god. I do fix it though. It does start looking better after a little bit, but damn. Editing she lived here. I don't know how to fucking do a video because literally this is a long-term video. A month. I should have gotten a month of footage. Or at least every time I bleached my hair. Did a bitch do that? No, I actually fucking forgot that I was filming this video because, like, of course I did. Obviously, I did get my hair more blonde, more bleached. I will talk about the process, obviously. But yeah, I do not recommend the Bleach London. I don't know what volume developer that is, but literally, my hair bleaches really fast and it bleaches really well and really easy. But with that bleach, it did not, because it's a cheap quality bleach. I think that's also part of it. But also, I did not use one of fucking these. A brush. A brush would have been useful. I was manic, okay? Like, I needed to do something. I needed to either bleach my hair or, like, try to unwind myself. So I said, let's bleach the hair. And so, I had no patience. I couldn't buy brushes. I couldn't. I just needed to do it. If that makes sense. So, my process was messy, as you saw. And a few days later, maybe like a week later, I actually re-bleached my hair. Round 2. I didn't film that at all, but it is in a TikTok I made. Like, I cleaned of the before, the middle, and the after. I barely filmed any videos during that time, so we really don't have videos or pictures of me in that, like, middle month. Like, there just isn't, and I don't know why I didn't really take videos or anything. But for the second round of bleach, I did end up getting the Ion bleach, like the little packets of Ion bleach. You guys know what I'm talking about. An Ion developer. Honestly, good shit. After a month, I ended up bleaching my hair again. Yeah. But I decided to use a different bleach this time, and because I saw a bunch of girlies online on TikTok use it, and it was probably like 2 people. But I was influenced, okay? Like, influencers be influencing me. So I got this bleach, which is the Ion cream bleach. Honestly, it's supposed to be easier to use. People rave about it. Cream bleaches are supposed to be fucking good as shit. I don't fucking know shit about, like, the details and the science or whatever. Like, Bitches said it was good. Sheila uses it. So, yeah. People said that's kind of overpriced for what it is. It's like $15 for like, let's see, 10 ounces or 300 grams. Again, I don't fucking know. I think it works well. I think it did well. I think it does brighten my hair. Did good things for me. It didn't like fry my hair. The only parts of my hair that are fried are the parts that had the bleach London on it, by the way. Like, if you guys see, most of my hair is actually still really, really well. Like, really, really good. I have Japanese roots. I do. But I have Japanese hair, which is also known to be one of the thickest hair. And black people hair, also thick hair. So, it does, like, it's for the most part healthy. Only, like the edges, as you can see, like the front edges are kind of fucked up. But honestly, it could have been way worse. So, I honestly don't really care. But, better, like, hair grows back. And that's kind of my philosophy on it. I know some people will get mad about it, but, like, yeah, I don't know. I've also been using, for purple shampoo, I've just been using the Ava New York City line of purple shampoo. I do really like it. I don't know, like, it doesn't smell too bad. Because, honestly, I also do have a bottle of the, like, old school Clairol one. That's just nasty. That just smells so bad. I hate that. Like, that's the part I hated about being blonde for so long. Because I'm like, ugh, it smells so bad. So bad. Like, it smells so bad. Like, why does it smell so bad? It smells like granny. Even my, like, fucking keratin shampoo smells bad. I don't know. There must be a reason for it. Probably the chemicals. So bad. Anyway, I do currently like how my hair looks. I think it's really cute. And yeah, I'm not going to bleach it for another, because I haven't bleached it in a month. Right now is July 18th. And I don't think I'm going to bleach it again until maybe, like, September, October. I'm gonna let the roots grow out. I'm gonna let it get bad first, because I'm like, you know what, like, it's okay, it's a moment, like, plus, because the front of my hair is so fucking dried out, I don't want to I don't want my hair, like, my I don't want my edges to fall out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and this is actually the last video that I have from the archive of videos from when I was going through my breakup, like, the breakup vlogs. So, yeah, from next video is all gonna be, like, in almost current day, like, it's gonna be July vlogs, because we've been going from, like, April to, like, this one was in June to July vlogs, so we're gonna be closer to real life. I don't know if I'll be posting as much as I was last week, because I was posting, like, 3 videos a week, but I'm not sure. I have to go through the footage. I don't know if I want to do, like, shorter videos or longer videos. Honestly, I really don't. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Anyway, bye.